Our company is the Moss Lawn, and our mission is simple: make lawns sustainable. And we're going to do it using moss.
Why moss? Because moss requires no mowing, no watering, and no fertilizing. Not only does lawn care require a lot of your time and money, but it causes a lot of destruction to the environment. Fertilizing endangers our health and runs off into our local waterways, killing wildlife and causing massive dead zones. Watering lawns and gardens wastes billions of gallons of water each day, and lawn equipment is poorly regulated and contributes substantially to air pollution. Moss is incredibly low maintenance and not only reduces pollution output, but is also extremely effective at controlling erosion and filtering air and water pollutants from the environment. You don't have to tear up your whole lawn to be a part of the moss movement. There are so many easy and beautiful ways to integrate moss into your landscape, like creating a beautiful rock garden or creating a moss border to your lawn that controls erosion and keeps our waterways clean. And we have everything you need. We've spent years selecting and cultivating moss that shatters expectations. Our solar moss is versatile, lush, and sun tolerant. We've also carefully studied and developed the best way to rapidly grow it through our kits, which combine a unique mix that minimizes watering needs and maximizes growth and moss clusters. For those that want to join the movement but have spatial limitations, we have desktop gardens that are customizable using live moss and plants and bring the beauty of the outdoors indoors.
So check us out and join the moss movement.